In our last discussion, we looked at the Japanese Nikkei 225 index. We're watching the formation of a fourth wave bottom and anticipating a fifth wave rally. That fourth wave low took a little bit longer to form than we originally thought, but it held the Fibonacci retracement level, and now the fifth wave rally is underway. But today I'd want to point out some commonalities with this pattern and what we're seeing in other Asia-Pacific markets. What the Nikkei did, and so many markets have done, was rally very strongly in 2020 and then move sideways through a choppy period lasting months this year, often at a time when the dollar was attempting to form a bottom. So our second chart is the South Korean KOSPI 200. We see a similar pattern. The strong 2020 rally gave way to choppy corrective price action through much of this year. But here too, we think that correction is complete and the beginnings of another wave up are underway, although in South Korea it is somewhat weak. Third example is Taiwan, and here too, the sharp rally followed by sideways corrective price action, though here I think the correction ended earlier and we're now at the beginning of the third wave of that impulsive advance. And you can see prices are just ready to break out above all of the recent highs. Fourth example is India. India and Taiwan have both been market leaders, relative strength leaders in the region on and off for years now. And here in India, we can see the fourth wave bottomed back in the spring, and the continuation of the move up is also well underway. Well, I hope you'll join me in the Asia Pacific short-term update as we track these unfolding impulse waves to the upside in these four indices, as well as keeping our eye on other critical markets such as the Shanghai Composite and the Hang Seng Index, as well as the Australian indices.